Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to record your presentation in Google Slides using your mobile Google Slides app. Whether it is on Android or iOS, it is the same for both the devices. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to screen record. Now open your Google Slides app and go to your presentation, the one you want to record. For suppose this one is the one I want to record today. Since Google Slides doesn't have a built-in recorder on mobile, we need to use the mobile itself inbuilt screen recorder. Suppose I am on iOS, so you can simply use the iOS screen recording tool. It is on your control center right here. Simply click on it, and after 3 seconds the screen recording will start. Now tap the record button and then return to your Google Slides presentation. As you go through your slide, your screen and your voice, if microphone is on, will be recorded as you show your presentation. When you are done, stop the recording from control center as well. The video will automatically save to your Photos app on your iOS. If it is on Android, it will be directly saved to your gallery. Now simply, if you are done recording, click the red button on your control center and the recording will stop directly, as you can see. And that's it guys, you have now recorded a version of your presentation. You can share or upload anywhere. If this tip helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and comment below if you want me to cover adding audio to the slides next. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.